do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy.
So, sige mamuntag sa Nutran. Karong adlaw nakaapon na kami diri sa Tablas Island, gikan mi sa Carabao Island. Swerte kayo kami karon kay na kami friends taga diri. So, diri kami nagstay sa ila ha. Woo, astig. So, butan kayo sila, nagpahulam sila og scooter. So, karong adlaw magsuri-suri lang kami diri. So, suray ta. Nakaapon kami diri sa Look. Gikan sa Santa Fe, 30 minutes ang biyahe. So, diri sa Look may usa ka nindot na sa gani.
Fish sanctuary.
Fish sanctuary. Fish sanctuary. Sige. So, nindot daw siya na ay mga clams. Ista, nagpalit kami biskwit para hatag sa ista. Dagan mo doon, pero gutom man kami, so kami mismo nagkaon. So, ipatanaw na mo ang nindot na coral sa inyo.
I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. This feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So, I'm just gonna drive.
Look. Fish sanctuary. Ayo, kumusta naman?
Oh, it was nice.
Very nice.
Namik ka siya. What place are we at? Is it Bisaya? Who knows?
Who knows the language?
Who knows anymore? But it was really nice. It was nindot.
Nindot, sige.
Mato kami sa Ujungan.
Ujungan.
There's waterfalls there, Mainit and Garing Falls. That's it.
Tara! Sige, so nalibot kami diri sa isla, nangita kami o waterfall. Tara na tao, dili man sila katutol, lisod man ang mga directions nila. Pero nakapit kami diri and nag-pour sila tar. So gusto ni Joey magsulay, ambot nga naman, pero magsulay jud siya.
I'm just trying to find my calling in life.
Yep.
Marketing or top world. This could be my career.
New career path?
New career path, get it?
Got him. Grabe na. Murag unod sa piyaya na ube.
Wow, look at that Asian squat.
Yep, Asian squat on point.
Ooh, nice. Okay.
Tilaw be, tilaw.
What? What did you two just say, Zowie? Oh, I repaired a road.
You know those piyayas I gave you?
Yeah.
When they're fresh and you open it up, that's exactly what it looks like.
Alright.
Yep. And they feels like that on your tongue too.
More?
She used to be a sandwich artist at Subway.
And now I fix roads.
She fixes roads.
Okay.
Salamat.
Finish na.
Sige.
Thanks so much.
Ingat. Sige, finally nakita na namon ang falls diri. Pero medyo luod man kay pila ka bulan wala may ulan diri. Sipon. Sipon nimo.
Yeah. I have a cold.
It's so gross. Touch it.
Ooh. It's like snotty hair. This is
It's like your worst nightmare to walk in.
Oh yeah. This is what your hair would look like in too much chlorine. Oh, it's strong. Yuck.
Like it.
Ew.
Sige, so we raced the sunset. Gikan sa Look. Diri sa what's this island called?
Tablas.
Gikan sa Look. Niabot na kami diri sa Tablas Point. So layo man, pero worth it. Astig.
Astig. I'm just taking photos of children.
Yep. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
I'm Joey at it again.
Mom Joey. Hi.
Kawawa si Monik. Kawawa.
Husband. Si Mom Joey.
Yeah. That's Joey.
Mama Joey. Mama Joey. Mama Joey.
Oh, look at this. Oh, sand fight.
Kawawa si Monik naman.
I've been flying off the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Baby, we're in danger.
Sige. Sige, mamuntag. Napa kami diri sa Tablas. And karon wata kami sa San Agustin kay gahapon wala kami naka-explore og mga waterfalls kayo kay wala may tubig. So unta dito sa San Agustin na ay tubig sa waterfalls. Layo kayo ang biyahe, siguro mga 2 hours. Hampot lang.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Hampot lang, tanaw na to. Pero layo, so biyahe ta. Sige, so padulong pa kami sa San Agustin. Nidaplan kami diri kay nakita namon isa ka gamay na balay. Nindot siya tanawon, so ipalupan ako siguro ang drone. Mag-photoshoot kami diri. O ipatanaw na mo sa inyo.
Tara!
Needed gifts of diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
Sige, so umana kami dito sa photoshoot ni Joey. O karon niabot na kami sa falls. Busay Falls, so waterfalls, falls. So unta na ay tubig kay gahapon wala may tubig sa falls. Tagjis ang bayad pag sulod diri. What's this waterfall called?
Busay Falls. Busay Falls is a beautiful falls here in the Philippines.
Skirt.
Pet Malo, Lodi.
Lodi, Petmalo. Your girlfriend?
They're our classmates.
Chicks mo?
No.
Oh!
Speak Tagalog.
Oy, Tagalog. Tagalog pala. Woo! Mama yan. Oh yeah. Up here.
You know
Thank you, thank you.
You know what chicks, huh?
You know chicks. Sumbag yan. Oh, Duterte. Duterte.
Zumba.
Sumbag. Ang galing na magbisaya. Mag-Tagalog ba?
Mahal kita.
You know mahal kita in English?
You know Balik in English?
I
love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Boom, panis!
Pet Malo, Kalodi.
Petmalo!
Shoutout nga pala sa lahat ng mga taga-Romblon.
Oh! Boom, panis! Okay?
Binabati ko nga pala dyan, mga kaibigan ko! Shoutout!
Bigyan ng
Nosebleed.
Shoutout nga pala dito sa maganda!
Yeah, beautiful. In English, beautiful.
Hilaw!
Maganda in Philippines.
Shoutout sa mga hilaw!
Ilaw ka din, di ba?
Oh, hilaw ko.
Panis. Panis.
Boom.
Joey, the Bisayang hilaw. What's going on?
The Urgy. Okay, we're here at Busay Falls, number 3, because number 4 was Shallows. Yep. We're here with our friends from the Philippines.
Yep.
This is
Lamanon.
This is
Yep.
the original Kaloy.
Shout out to Kaloy.
Yup.
Woo!
And
The OG. Yeah, buddy.
shout out to all from Lamanon.
I'm Kaloy.
Yeah,
I'm
buddy.
Leonard Manguera.
Alright,
Search on
so
Facebook and Instagram. It's Donado.
plug it. Alright, who's gonna send it?
Okay?
Alright, go for it.
Go some jump. Jump.
Yeah.
Nice. Wah!
Boom, panis.
Deep. It's deep.
Why are we doing this? Why do you do this stuff?
Okay. Wait,
panis.
you hit the bottom?
Oh.
Do it.
Want me?
Yep, do it. Kaloy 2.
It's only for you.
Kaloy 2 is gonna do it.
It's only for you.
Oh,
I'll jump for you.
ay salamat. Okay. Pray.
Stand up the cross. Pray.
Sus marasip.
Oh. And jump.
Okay.
Sige, so gibili na mo ng mga boyfriend ni Zowie dito sa Busay Falls. O karon niabot na kami sa Agianan padulong sa Dulom Falls. Unsa gani ang Dulom sa Bisaya?
Ano?
Kabulo ka.
Dulom.
Oo, unsa gani ang Dulom sa Bisaya?
Niet, niet.
Ngit ngit. Ngit 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 ngit.
Niet, 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 niet. It's
Your
dark
favorite word?
falls. I love nyit.
Dark Falls because it's dark. 10 minutes ang paktas, paklay. So, hi.
Oh, is waterfalls here? Okay.
Thank you.
All we'll ever need is here and now. It all seems better in your clear blue eyes. Jumping.
What happened?
Team Spartan.
Team Spartan. Guba ang Javi. Sige, ang tanan na naa sa Team Javi, mobalhin ako mo sa Team Spartan. We going good?
But it looks like I'm still wearing thongs even when I'm not. White ones.
Sige, you can go ahead and tell them what happened at your waterfall.
That I did something better than you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I climbed the waterfall and Carson didn't. I mean, I didn't make it very far. Only like 1 foot, but still 1 foot better than him.
Beep, beep, beep.
Boo, boo, boo. And to everyone saying I'm getting tumbuk, the vine says otherwise.
So,
Are you doing this in English? What are you doing?
humana kami. Diri sa Ngit Dulom Falls and karon moadto kami sa Ambot.
Trangkalan?
Trangkalan Falls. Usa pa ka falls diri, daghang falls diri sa
confirmed.
Tablas to be confirmed. Sige, so gutom na kami, so magkaon kami usab and then falls.
Tara!
Sige, El Nino El Nino strikes again. Tungod walay ulan, 2 ka bulan, wala may tubig diri sa falls. Woo! Ayos. So, we're gonna hike at the top.
And see if there's something.
More water.
Just a little bit of water.
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 You say water.
Water. I don't know who I am.
See? Alright, Joey's taking us the hardest way possible to get to the top.
Sorry. I thought I knew best.
She climbed one waterfall that I couldn't do, and now she thinks she's the best climber in the Philippines.
I am Filipino. It's in my blood.
Becoming Bisaya.
Becoming Onggoy.
Ang ikaduha na waterfall, hurot gyapon ng tubig diri. Sayang.
Well, this is very bizarre. Adventure Zone!
Yeah, mo na yung grand finale diri. Woo! Nice.
Where's Tito in my backpack because I'm so thirsty.
Great.
Sayang. Ano ni siya? Banana. Saging.
Saging.
Tamis good.
Yes, nakatamis man eh.
Yeah, tamis good siya. Apir.
Kading ka mga barangay.
Sa Santa Fe.
Santa Fe, ba't dito kayo?
Sorry, lagaw-lagaw lang kami.
Ay, very good kayo. Saya.
Saya.
Amerikan?
Amerikanong tiki-tiki. Oh.
You know. American is good.
Is taasilong.
Oh.
Good friends. O sige, pila man, tagpila.
Ah, pila man singko man.
Tag 5 na lang, pili na. Oh, tag 5 na lang. Budots na, budots. Sige, I will buy
Can you buy? How much?
2 balos. 2.
Doha lang.
2 lang. Kay bago lang kami nakaon.
Ilang taon yan na sindatang eh. Nasa kwarta.
I'm feeling like I could go on forever.